Hi, I'm Neshi. How are you doing? I hope you are all well. So, today I will show you how to make a peacock out of color paper. Well, let's make this with little kids together. We need two types of color paper, glue and marker pen. Today I use blue and yellow paper. First, fold it in half. After, in a 4-inch section on one side this way. Now unfold it again. Then cut off the 4-inch new side like this. Next, draw the peacock neck and head on the remaining 4 inches and cut like this. After, fold the other part the way I fold it. Uh-oh, do you hear the sound of rain? It's raining on us. I apologize for that. Next, unfold it again and fold it again like this. Then make his neck beautiful like this and draw his eyes and beak like this. Now glue the two parts together. Then we decorate the peacock feathers with small pieces like this that we cut. This is the beautiful peacock we made. It's very easy. So, if you have been able to create your little things like this often with kids, then they are going into society as creative kids. Well, see you again in a new video. Thank you so much and stay tuned with me